liver's digestive system function. I want you to understand that the liver has many different functions for the human body. It only has one digestive system function, and the digestive system function that we're going to talk about is its ability to produce bile. So the liver is very large. When we get into the cat, you guys are going to realize how large the actual liver really is in even the human body. So it's the largest internal gland. It has 4 lobes, and you guys will be able to see these. And its digestive system function is to produce bile. And bile has a very unique composition. So first of all, it's kind of a yellowish green alkaline solution. And the digestive system portion of bile is the bile salts. That's what the bile salts are going to start to break down stuff. But it has a lot of other things that are in it, as you guys can see. And what the bile does, it is made in the liver, and then it is stored in the gallbladder. And the gallbladder is just a sac that stores bile and will slowly introduce that bile to the duodenum, that first portion of the small intestines. And bile salts, it says, are cholesterol derivatives, so they're derived from cholesterol, but they emulsify fat. And emulsification is a kind of a strange word and a strange process, but it basically like beats up the fat. And so it's going to kind of mash the fat. It's going to get the fat into a form that can then be readily digested. And it says the chief bile pigment is bilirubin. And bilirubin is a waste product of heme. Heme is part of hemoglobin, and we'll talk more about that when we get into the cardiovascular system. And the gallbladder, as I alluded to earlier, is a small sac, and it's green because of the bile pigments. And so what it does is it stores and it will concentrate the bile by absorbing its water and ions. So it's going to take out the water, it's going to take out some ions, so it concentrates that bile and those bile salts. And so what it's going to do is, like I said, it's going to then release the bile slowly into something called a cystic duct. But the cystic duct is the duct from the gallbladder to something called the hepatopancreatic duct. And so it's going to then merge, the cystic duct merges with the pancreatic duct, and then they both kind of dump their solutions into the duodenum at the same time.